Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's class we are going to learn some vocabularies related to the garden. So at times we get some essay related to garden, and at times we get some picture description, and we saw some good beautiful park over there, and there is a beautiful garden, but we have to explain it and we don't have words to explain it. So here I am going to solve your problem. You can use these simple vocabularies. You can add these simple vocabularies in your day-to-day life, and you can write a very beautiful and impressive paragraph on garden. So let's learn about it. The first is like beautiful, refreshing, joyous visit, natural beauty, blooming flowers, hub of activities, chirping of birds, delightful, cool breeze, lush green grass, calm, peaceful, reduce stress, melodious environment, vibrant, amazing, wonderful, experience, entertaining, recreation, nature walk, healthy mind, peaceful soul, creative environment, cool breeze. I hope these are so many words which helps you to write a very good and impressive paragraph on the topic garden. So this video must be helpful for you. Thank you.